साई देवा श्री गणेशा साई देवा श्री गणेशा वन्दे विघ्न विनाशा देवा वन्दे विघ्न विनाशा देवा पार्वती नंदन पतिपुरीशा पार्वती नंदन पतिपुरीशा हे शिवनंदन जय साईशा हे शिवानंदन जय साईशा हे शिवनंदन जय साईशा हे शिवनंदन जय साईशा साई देवा श्री गणेशा गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा घनश्याम मुरारी गोपाला घनश्याम मुरारी गोपाला गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा राधे कृष्ण मुरारी गोविंदा राधे कृष्ण मुरारी गोविंदा सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला सत्य साई मुरारी गोपाला गिरिधारी मुरारी गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण हरिनारायण गोविंदा पांडुरंग विठ्ठले हरिनारायण ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲೇ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲೇ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲೇ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಭಜೋ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಸಾಯಿ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ ವಿಠ್ಠಲೇ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ. ಗುರುರ್ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಗುರುರ್ವಿಷ್ಣು ಗುರುರ್ದೇವೋ ಮಹೇಶ್ವರ ಗುರು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ತಸ್ಮೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರವೇ ನಮಃ. ಯೋ ನಿತ್ಯಮಚ್ಯುತಪದಾಂಬುಜಯುಗ್ಮರುಕ್ಮವ್ಯಾಮೋಹತಸ್ತದಿತರಾಣಿ ತೃಣಾಯ ಮೇನೆ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರೋಃ ಭಗವತೋಸ್ಯ ದಯೈಕಸಿಂಧೋಃ ರಾಮಾನುಜಸ್ಯ ಚರಣೌ ಶರಣಂ ಪ್ರಪದ್ಯೆ. ಯಸ್ಯ ಸ್ಮರಣಮಾತ್ರೇಣ ದ್ವೈತವಾಸನಾ ಪ್ರಮುಚ್ಯತೆ ಬೋಧಾತ್ಮಕಾಯ ನಮಸ್ತಸ್ಮೈ ಭಗವತೆ ಶ್ರೀರಮಣಮಹರ್ಷಯೇ. ಹೃದಾಕಾಶೇ ಸದಾ ಭಾಂತಂ ಶಾಂತಂ ಆನಂದರೂಪಿಣಂ ಜ್ಞಾನಭಾಣುಮಹಂ ವಂದೇ ಸದ್ಗುರುಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಸತ್ಯಸಾಯಿನಂ ಮಮ ಅಂತರ್ಯಾಮಿನಂ. ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ವಾಸುದೇವಾಯ ಹರಯೇ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ಪ್ರಣತಕ್ಲೇಶನಾಶಾಯ ಶ್ರೀಗೋವಿಂದಾಯ ನಮೋ ನಮಃ. ಗುಷ್ಯತೆ ಯಸ್ಯ ನಗರೆ ರಂಗಯಾತ್ರಾ ದಿನೇ ದಿನೇ ತಮಹಂ ಶಿರಸಾ ವಂದೇ ರಾಜಾನಂ ಕುಲಶೇಖರಂ. ಇನ್ನಮುದಂ ಊಟ್ಟುಗೆ ನಿಂಗೆ ವಾ ಪೈಂಕಿಳಿಯೇ தென்னரங்கம் பாடவல்ல ஷீர்பெருமாள் பொன்னன் சிலை சேர் நுதலியர்வேள் ஷேரலர்கோன் எங்கள் குலசேகரன் என்றே கூறு. ஆரம் கெடப்பர நண்பர் கொள்ளார் என்று அவர்களுக்கே வாரம் கொடு குடப்பாம்பிற் கையிட்டவன் மாற்றலரை வீரங்கெடுத்த செங்கோல் கொல்லிக்காவலன் வில்லவர்கோன் சேரன் குலசேகரன் முடிவேந்தர் சிகாமணியே. By Bhagavan's grace, we have been blessed to continue and complete Kulashekara Alvar's Mukundamala. Sometime last month, I think we did the session and covered up to 29 verses on that. Mukundamala is Alvar's garland that he offers to Mukunda, to the Lord. The verses become the flowers, all strung together in the garland. And as always, Mukunda himself becomes the string. Bhagavan says in the Gita, all beings are like beads or gemstones, and I am the string that goes through all of it, holding it together in the form of a mala. Antaryami Swarupama, Bhagavan is the indweller. He is the sutram that holds all of this together. He is the substratum that is holding everything together. Not only for the entire universe, for Mukunda Mala also, Mukunda is the sutram. And all the verses become the flowers or the gems that are held together by Mukunda Sutra, and it is offered to Mukunda himself as Mukunda Mala. Ellame Mukundandane. The one who is making these verses appear is the Lord Mukunda. The verses themselves are held together only by Mukunda, and they are offered unto Mukunda. Ella Mukundana Katha. Krishnat, Krishnaya, Krishnam. Apni ella vibhakti vache Krishnane solidala. It is from Krishna, it is for Krishna, it is by Krishna. எல்லாம் பகவானுடைய ஒரே சொரூபமாக இருக்கிறதுனால Mukundamala is also an offering unto the Lord, where the Lord himself is holding it together. And what was the main essence of it so far? We will just have a quick recount as it were. Mainstay, incessant remembrance of the Lord, eternal servitude to the Lord. That is what he is asking. Although Mukunda, we saw last time also, the very word Mukunda, the very name Mukunda means one who can grant us liberation, Mukti. Now Alvar is not asking Mukti from Mukunda. Alvar is saying, I will serve you instead. Eppdina, you go to a shop to buy something from the shop. But if you are working in the shop itself, there is no need for you to visit the shop to buy. The fact that you are working there itself means that you will certainly have access to these products at any time, and you will even get them at a discounted rate. Some employee discount will be there, employee benefit will be there. Not only that, you will know when specials are being run beforehand. You will know when there is going to be discounted stock. You will know when there is going to be demo stock or floor stock being sold. You will know all the inside details. You don't have to go specifically to visit the store or subscribe to newsletters or anything. You have internal access to it. So what do you need to do now? You have to become part of that. If you go to a theatre, cinema, where they show movies, you go there, you pay money to get the movie. The fellow who works there running this whole thing, free movie then. You have to pay money to go and watch the movie. He gets paid to watch the movie. Isn't it? Like that, if you want to Mukti, it is a different story. If you are going to serve Mukunda, you are working in Mukti shop itself. Mukti cinemas. You are working there. You get paid for getting Mukti. You don't have to work to get Mukti. On the other hand, you can't go, you sit down, I will give Mukti to you. Terms are completely different for us. Alvar is very clever that way. Mukti we do not need to go and work for Mukti. Let's work for Mukunda instead. Why work for Mukti? Let us work for Mukunda. The difference between doing sadhana and doing seva to Bhagavan. Sadhana and Bhagavad Kainkaryam. என்ன வித்தியாசம்னா, sadhana is a means or a method to get something from Bhagavan. Seva means getting it assured. நமக்கு இல்லாம, if he is not going to give it to his own servitors, who is he going to give it to? Naturally, these people will have the first dibs in that இல்லையா? அதனால ஆழ்வார் பார்த்தார், இது நேர போய் I will serve Bhagavan அப்படிங்கிறதுனால he said, I ask you only these things, Bhagavane, let me always remember you. இஹத்துக்கு இஹமுலு சுகிம்பா, இங்கே சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும், we should be happy here. Mukti is for later on. Moksha is for later on to prevent another birth and so on, though that all that is at the end of this lifespan. Why suffer during this lifespan to make sure we are going to be happy later on? Is there a method by which we can be happy now and then also? அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா மேக்ஸிமம் ப்ராஃபிட் எதில் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தார். மேக்ஸிமம் ப்ராஃபிட் இஸ் present only in serving Bhagavan, Bhagavad Kainkaryam, Bhagavan Namasmaranam, loving him, experiencing him, serving him is the recipe for happiness here and hereafter. Ida Alvar hit upon it right away and said, Shri Vallabeti Varadeti Dayapareti Bhakta Priyeti Bhavaluntana Kovideti Nateti Nagashayaneti Jagannivasetyalapinam Pratipadam Kurume Mukunda. Hey Mukunda. Hey Krishna. Hey Krishna, grant me this grace. Grant me this blessing. Pratipadam, moment to moment, every step, every word, what should I do? Shri Vallabha Varadha Dayapara Bhaktapriya. Abdina, let me call out to you, call out your various names. All of those names are associated with your extraordinary gunas, attributes, qualities. Bhagavan's names are not randomly given, they are not given because how people name their children, they will say, oh, he is born on this star, therefore this name should be given starting with this letter, or grandfather's name is this, therefore he should be given this name. Illa Bhagavan's each name is given as a characteristic of guna that he is demonstrating or an action that he has done. So when we remember those names of Bhagavan, automatically we are bringing Bhagavan's gunam into our heart. Dayapara. Abhindu Channale, compassion, immediately that feeling of receiving compassion from him wells up in our heart when we call him, O compassionate one. Dayapara, abhinna supremely compassionate one. Abhinna. Varada, the giver of boons. The granter of all my boons. And Varada nu sollutana, apra is it not incumbent upon him to grant me everything I ask because I am approaching him and giving him, calling him by that particular name? Otherwise he will have to be false to his own name, that he will not do. Adanala Varada, Dayapara, Shri Vallabha, abdinga arambikirachaye, Shri Pathe, Shri Vallabha, O Lord of Mahalakshmi Tayar, Bhakta Priya, abdinga. We are reminding him of his very important quality which matters so much to us. Me being a devotee, am I not dear to you? Bhakta Priya. Abadina rendu meaning, one who is dear to the devotee and one to whom devotees are dear. Sanskritla அந்த வார்த்தை அப்படி சேர்த்து போட்டுட்டோம்னா இப்படியும் பிரிக்கலாம் அப்படியும் பிரிக்கலாம். We can interpret it this way or that way. Bhakta Priya. Two compound words, two words joined together. How is it joining together is up to interpretation. Bhakta Priya, one who likes devotees, one who is liked by devotees, one who is dear to devotees, one to whom devotees are dear. Appo, we are making sure that we are counted amongst that devotees and making sure that we are dear to him, reminding him that am I not near and dear to you? Swami would always say, it is not enough to be merely near to me, you also have to be dear to me. Now physically if you are close, it is nearness. Near and dear. Swami would say, you have to be near and dear. What does near and dear mean? Near means physically close is near, but dear means close to the heart. Close to the body is near, close to the heart is dear. It is not enough if you merely have physical proximity with the Lord. We have said that even cockroaches have physical proximity with the Vigraham of the Lord. If you go to a temple, Priya Divya Kshetram mentioned Pove, you go to this old temple, ultimately cockroach will be clambering on to Keshava. You look at this. Adi Keshava Perumal, Adi cockroach will be climbing upon him. As near. Dearo, who knows, it is also maybe dear to him. As long as it is dear, it is alright. If it is only near, it is no use. One also has to be dear to Bhagavan. Nada Bhakta Priya, Priya na dear. Bavaluntana Kovideti Kadashila Podrar, the last time in the end he also says, but you are also good in relieving us from Bhava, from Samsara, by giving us moksha. What is your primary badge of honor? What is the first badge of honor that you have if somebody is a recipient of a number of awards? They'll probably start with the highest award and then go down. He received the highest award first. He may have received first prize in school also. But if he is a Nobel laureate, we don't say first prize in school. Nobel laureate. So what is his first badge of honor? Shri Vallabha. He is the Lord of Shri. That's the first badge of honor. Shri is Prakriti. Shri Vallabhana, the Lord of Shri. The one who is dear to Shri. The one who is the Lord of Shri, Shri of Patingaradhanala, the one who is the Lord of Prakriti, the entire universe is there, but somebody is the ruler of this entire universe. Now we see the universe, we are in the universe, to us the universe is big, but to see somebody who owns it and there is nobody beyond him, is that not this greatest badge of honor? Adhanala Shri Vallabhan, Madhula Challi, Adakaparam Varada, since he owns everything, he can give everything to us, Varada. But also he has got the capacity, the heart to give Dayapara. And he will give to us because we are dear to him, Bhakta Priya. And ultimately, what is it that he is going to give us? He is giving. He has got the capacity to give. He has got the heart to give. He likes us, so he will give. What is it that he is going to give? Bhavaluntana Kovida. He is going to give moksha to us. Therefore, Natha. Therefore, he is our Lord. Therefore, he is our Master. Who is this person? Specify Varada. Anybody can become a Varada. And who is the specific Varada? Nagashayana. Nagashayana. Who is Nagashayana? Narayana is the Nagashayana. The one who is sleeping upon the serpent bed. And the Ranganathan Ragane Avanatane Cholra. Nagashayanethi Jagannivase Tyalaparam Pratipadam Kurume Mukunda. Let me call out these names again and again and again to you. Let me praise you. Let me constantly sing your glories and wish all victory to come to you. Jayatu Jayatu Devo Devaki Nandanoyam Jayatu Jayatu Krishno Vrishnivaṁsha Pradipaha Jayatu Jayatu Megha Shyamala Komalango Jayatu Jayatu Prithvi Bharanasho Mukundaha. Aware but Bhagavan, that extraordinary Bhagavan, who is he ultimately? Abdina Nama Devaki Pulla. Devaki Nandano Ayam. Ayam na even here, this fellow. Who is this great Paramal? This Shri Vallabha, this Varada, Dayabhara, Bhakta Priya. Who is he? Namma Kannan da. Nambata Kuti Kannan. He is our Paramal, he is our Krishna. Adhanala Jayatu Jayatu Devo Devaki Nandano Yam. Devaki Nandana. Abdin Chanale, Priya Dwarakadisha, Abdin a different title. If we call him Dwarakadipati, Dwarakadisha, it is different. Devaki Nandana. Abhina Kuti Krishna. Devaki's son. I am Namba Kuti Krishna. Hello Kuti Krishna, not some other Krishna. Our Krishna. I am this fellow. Devaki Nandanoyam Jayatu Jayatu Krishno Vrishnivaṁsha Pradipaha. Vrishnivaṁsha Pradipa. The one who illuminated the Vrishnivaṁsha, the Vrishni clan. Jayatu Jayatu. We are not born in Vrishni Vamsha. What is it to us whether he illuminated Vrishni Vamsha or did whatever to it? How is it when we look at him? Megha Shyamala Komalangaha. Megha Shyamala Komalangaha. Kannuki Iniyan. Kannuki Iniyan. Manadikiniyanai paadiyalorum pavaina. Im kannukkum iniyandane. Nayanabhiramam, Shravana Vishrotra Manobhiramam. Abadinnu he is attractive to not only the eyes, to the ears, to the heart, to the mind, everything. Megha Shyamala Komalango Jayatu Jayatu Prithvi Bharanasho Mukundaha. Krishna who took an avatara in order to destroy the burden of evil upon the earth, and the Mukundan Jayatu. I wish you success. I wish you victory. Jai அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். ஜெயத்து அப்படின்னு சன்ஸ்கிருதத்தில் ஹிந்தியில் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, முகுந்தா கி ஜெய் அப்படின்னு. बोलो सियावर रामचंद्र जी की जय அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அந்த மாதிரி ஜெயத்து அப்படின்னா ஜெய்னு அர்த்தம். முகுந்த மூர்தனா பிரணிபத்ய யாச்சே பவந்தம் ஏகாந்தமியந்தமர்த்தம் அவிஸ்மிருதிஸ்த்வச்சரணாரவிந்தே भवे भवे मे अस्तु भवत् प्रसादात्. हे Mukunda, Murdana Pranipatya Yache, I place my head upon your feet and beg of you something. Yache, I beg from you something. Bhavantam Yekantam Yantamartham, only one thing I am going to ask from you, not many things from you. Don't think I am going to have a big list. I am not going to take too much of your time. ஸோ கொஞ்ச நாள் தான் எடுத்துக்க போகிறேன். உங்கள்கிட்ட டேக் ஒன்லி லிட்டில் பிட் ஆஃப் யுவர் டைம் டு ஆஸ்க் யூ திஸ். ஏன்னா லாங் லிஸ்ட் இருந்தால் வேணா பேஷண்ட்டாக உட்காந்துக்கணும். கோல விளக்கும் ஆழமும் கொடியும் விதானமும் அப்படின்னு ஒரு விஷயம் ஆட் பண்ணும். பல்லாண்டு செய்ப்பாரும் ஆண்டார் பிரசன்ஸ் பிக் லிஸ்ட் பர்வான். மாலே மணிவண்ணா மார்கழி நீராடுவான் மேலையார் சேவனங்கள் வேண்டுவன கேட்டிலையேல் ஞாலத்தை எல்லாம் நடுங்க புரல்வன பாலன வண்ணத்துன் பாஞ்சசன்யம் போல்வன சங்கங்கள் பொய்ப்பாடுடைய சாலப்பெரும் பறையே பல்லாண்டு செய்ப்பாரே கோல விளக்கே கொடியே விதானமே அப்படின்னு பெரிய லிஸ்ட். குலசேகர லிஸ்ட் எல்லாம் போடல. உடனே ஒன்று தான் கேட்கப்போ ஏகாந்தமர்த்தம். ஒன்லி ஒன் திங் ஐ வாண்ட் டு ஆஸ்க் யூ. என்னதுன்னு அவிஸ்மிருதிஸ்த்வச்சரணாரவிந்தே பவே பவே மே அஸ்து பவத் பிரசாதாத். லெட் மீ நெவர் ஃபர்கெட் யூ. Avismritihi, let me never forget your lotus feet. No matter how many births I have, let me never forget your lotus feet. Let this be your blessing to me. Let this be your prasada to me. This is the alms that I come and beg from you. Give this to me. Grant this to me. Adukapra, I do not care where I am. I am not asking this for any other purpose. Enna purpose I want to serve you. Adukithan kekare. I am going to ask you. My boon is, let me never forget you. Let me call out your name all that. This is the boon that I seek from you. Yedukku nagam vande tava charanayor dvandvamadvandva hetoho kumbi pakam gurumapi hare naragam napanetum ramya rama mridu tanulata nandane napirantum bhave bhave hridaya bhavane bhavayeyam bhavandam. For what purpose am I asking? Eternal memory of your lotus feet. For what purpose am I asking that I should be able to call out to you all the time? Abdina bhave bhave hridaya bhavane, in the temple of my heart. Bhavayeyam bhavantam, I should be able to go in and find you there. I should be able to go in whenever and find you there at that time. Antharyamiyoda connect பண்றது மாதிரி ஈஸி ஒன்றும் கிடையாது உலகத்தில். The easiest thing to do is to connect with the Lord within. People say I don't feel connection. ஆனால் really the easiest thing is to connect with the Lord within. உள்ள போனா இருக்கானே, Bhagavan is there inside. How is it difficult to see? If you go to a temple, the Lord is there, isn't he? You cannot miss him. கோயிலுக்கு போனேன், பெருமாள் மாத்திரம் பார்க்கலையேன்னு சொல்ல முடியும். ஸ்ரீரங்கம் போனேன், ரங்கநாதர் காணவே காணும் சொல்ல முடியுமோ? Can you say I went to Srirangam but I don't know where Ranganatha was, I couldn't see him? How can you not see him? He is there. If you go into the shrine, is he not there? How can you miss him? It is impossible to miss him, isn't it? Like that, அந்தரங்கத்தில் இந்த ஹிருதயத்திற்குள்ள பகவான் இஸ் தேர். என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் அப்படின்னா, we should know the way to go there. இந்த ஹிருதயம் பகவான் இஸ் சதா there. Eternally Bhagavan is present in the heart, and going there and seeing him, being in his presence is a given. You cannot miss him. It is not that he has to come sometimes in bhajans and all. We sing aavo அப்படினு பாடுவோம். மனு மந்திரமே ஹிருதய மந்திரமே ஆவோ அப்படினு. Please come into my ஹிருதய மந்திரம் அப்படினு. Come and go, நம்ம தான் போணும். ஓய், He doesn't have to come into the heart temple. You only have to go to the temple. He is already in the temple. That is why it is a temple. Mandir nu sonnale, if you call it a mandir, if you call it a temple, it is only a temple because Bhagavan is there in the temple. Otherwise, is it a temple? It will be just simple. A temple irukade. The very fact that it is a temple means Bhagavan is enshrined. What is necessary? Bhagavan doesn't have to come to the temple. Bhakta only has to go to the temple. Koil katti vachache. Koil is there. Temple is there. Bhagavan is enshrined in the temple. Devotees are not going what to do. Get a COVID. COVID is only now. But forever Ajnana is there. Ajnana, Kama, Krodha, etc. preventing us from going to the Hridaya Mandiram that is already built and the Lord installed. Yenna, nee kattalappa, because you did not build this temple, He built this temple. Tat srishtva. He created this temple. And then Tadeva Nupravishat. He entered into the temple and he did prana pratishta for himself. And the moment prana arose in this body, prana pratishta has happened. In the Vadambur temple, Udambu Kovil. The Vadambe or Kovil. Thallat Talindark Jivan Shivalingam. For those who have understood the truth, the Jiva, the indweller Antaryami is the Lord Himself. You did not invoke Him, you did not install Him, He came in on His own, installed Himself here. Therefore, this heart is already a temple. All you have got to do is go to the temple. If you go, you cannot miss Him, He is there. He is never absent from the temple. You only are absent from the temple. We have to understand this. Just take an ordinary temple, no? A physical temple somewhere. Whether the doors are open or whether the doors are shut, whether it is day or whether it is night, the Lord is inside. He cannot move from there. Achala vigraham adu. Dhruva bheram. Dhruva bheram. The statue within, it cannot move. It is fixed. Why? In case somebody comes, they should not come there and say, where is Perumal? Perumal is missing. Chalo padad. He is always there. Unless somebody like Tirumashayyavar comes and takes him away, otherwise generally he will be there. Again Tirumashayyavar varuvar, oi kadambu oi, painaka paya shruti kollam. He commands the Lord, then the Lord will roll up his serpent bed and walk behind Alvar. Otherwise generally he is fixed there. He cannot move. He will not move. Archa samadhi or samadhi undu Bhagavan. Like that, Bhagavan Antaryami is also present eternally in the heart, so do not complain that He is not there. He is there, you are not there. Nidam ponam. That is why Alvar is saying, Bhave, Bhave, Hridaya Bhavane, Bhavayeyam Bhavantam. Bhagavane, let me meditate upon you, let me realize you, Bhavayeyam, unuடைய பாவம் எனக்கு ஏற்படட்டும்பா. Yavat madbhavam nopajayate. Abdina Bhagavan says in the Uddhava Gita, madbhavam, my realization. May your realization happen. May I have the privilege of going in. Yappavanalum volame Krishna. Next moment you are in your Hridaya Bhavanam, where Bhagavan is there for you. You are with Him. Mahapurusha Satsangam also is not easy to get, but this Paramapurusha Satsangam is always available to you. All you have got to do is go there, but you cannot go there because we do not have the capacity or we do not have the know-how to go there. No problem. That is why Alvar is saying, let me worship you always, let me never forget you, because you are the great GPS that leads me to yourself. And Ramana Bhagavan gives us the direct means to go into the Hridaya Mandiram, Hridaya Kuharam. Parivalula Murugana Lamparanarndida Gukayarnd Arivam Vijidiravai Nijamarivayad Veliyam. How do you go into this heart? There is only one way to go into this heart. Parivalula Murugana Lamparanarndida Gukayarnd. Paranardidam Guhai, the Hridaya Kuharam Irke, where the Lord is residing, you cannot go there through intelligence. Na medhaya, na bahuna shrutena, na pravachanena, not through lectures, not by listening to lectures, not by intelligence, not by intellectualization, not by any of those parival ulamuruhana. When out of love your heart melts, then and there you will go and you will wash up in the temple of the heart. When there is a great flood, recently in New South Wales there was a flood. What happened? The cows were found on the beach. The cows from the farm were in the beach. When I mentioned that, one of the little ones said, what were they doing, having a vacation? Vacation at the beach. Beach vacation. What happened? Flood waters. They got caught in the flood waters, and where did they wash up? They were safe and sound, but in the beach. And the waters ultimately have to go to the beach. All the rivers will have to go into the ocean. Adanale, when the rivers came to the ocean, the cows swam along with it because the water washed it away and safely deposited it on the beach. Beach. Like that, when the heart melts, when there is a great flooding of the heart, Pulakango, Atinirvrataha, அப்படின்னு சொல்றாரு இல்லையா Narada in Bhagavatam. When the heart melts, when there is such an overpowering prema that arises in the heart, it immediately melts. What will it do? It will flow directly only towards the Lord. That is where it goes. It cannot go anywhere else. If you are caught up in that flood of love, you will wash up at the feet of the Lord. There is no doubt about it. But how to get caught up in the flood of this love? Aduthan solraringa vismritisthva charana ravinde. Bhagavane. How is it that I will get caught up in this great flood of your love? When I'm Pakanam, I've got to see you. I've got to talk to you. I've got to call out you. Shrivallabha, Varada, Daya, Vara, Bhakta Priya, Natha. When I call out to the Lord, then my heart has a chance of melting. And when my heart melts, I will be caught up in that flood and I will also reach Him. Adanale, Bhave, Bhave, Hridaya Bhavane, Bhava, Yeyam Bhavantam. That is the reason why I want to call out your name. That is why I am worshipping you. Naham Valde, Tava Charana Yoho, Dvandam Advanda Hetoho. I am not worshipping it for any other reason. I am not worshipping your feet so that I can get some trivial pleasures or joys or successes in the world, nor am I worshipping it to get out of this world. I am not worshipping you so that I can evade the fate that is waiting for me as a result of my own sins. Kumbhipakam gurumapi hare narakam napanetum. Lest I go and wash up in Kumbhipaka, the hells, various hells, 72 hells. Ramya Rama Mridu Tanulata Nandanena Pirantum. Neither for worldly pleasures nor for heavenly pleasures. I do not want all of the Bhave Bhave Hridaya Bhavane Bhavayeyum Mukundam Bhavantam. I want to realize you, feel you, be in your presence in my own heart every time, anytime. I do not have any interest of any sort. Interest Alvar says very clearly, it is not merely pleasure that I am not interested in. I am not interested in anything. Nasta dharme na vasunichaye naiva kamopabhoge yad bhavyam bhavatu bhagavan purva karmanu rupam yetat prartyam mama bahumatam janma janmantarepi tvatpadambo Ruhayugagata Nischala Bhaktirastu. I am not interested in dharma. Somehow I have to follow dharma. I've got to follow the Shastra. I am not that interested in it. Avla astha illa, avla faith illa, avla intensity is not there in me. Na vasunichaye nor am I interested in artha. In a kama, akapana artha. I am not interested in artha also. Dharma artha. Naiva kama upabhoge, nor am I interested in kama. Kama upabhogam, the enjoyment of the various pleasures that are legitimately allowed to us now. Illegitimate cholalavar. He is not talking about forbidden enjoyments, he is talking about the allowed enjoyment. Even that he says, Naiva kama upabhoge. A Janma Janmantaram of a birth after birth after birth, what have I not eaten, what have I not seen, what have I not experienced, what pleasure have I not had? In this birth itself, the same pleasures have been had so many times, same things have been eaten so many times. Mundila, sometimes, when you're thinking, when you look at it, after some time, same thing, everything has the same taste in the end of the day. You reach a certain stage. One of the greatest blessing of growing old. Isn't it? It's a great blessing. People don't understand. People want to be young. People want to be young. ஆனா அதுன்னு சொல்றாரு இல்லையா ஆழ்வார், தொண்டரப்படி ஆழ்வார் says அது யூத் இருக்கே சீச்சி அப்படிங்கிறது டெரிபிள் திங். ஏன் அப்படின்னா ஆல் யுவர் சென்சஸ் ஆர் அலர்ட் இன் யூத். எல்லாம் காதில் விழுறது, எல்லாம் கண்ணு நன்னா தெரியறது. ஐஸ் ஆர் ஏபிள் டு see a lot இல்லையா. when you become old அப்படி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா everything இப்படி வச்சா தெரியல அப்படி வச்சா தெரியல எதுவும் தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. what to do? Neither can you see if it's close nor can you see if it is far. ஒன்று தெரியாம இருந்தா சரி. why? When you are young, maybe you can't see what is far, you have to wear glasses. Now you have to take off the glasses, then wear glasses again. What is this problem? Hearing also, luckily, this is a blessing. Hearing, as it goes down, sometimes, as you grow older, you can't hear a blessing. Because what they are saying, you cannot hear. When they call you also, you cannot hear. Good day, youth, everything is active. The problem it is. Old age is better. Naakku ruchi. You want to eat this, you want to eat that. And the kaalathila we remember our grandmothers and all. No? They'll make some special dish, sweet or some home. And what will happen is they will, since they made it, they will be the last to eat. They will keep a little bit for themselves. They will keep giving to all of us. The kid, as children, we will eat whatever we have to eat. Then by the time she starts, we will come back again. Party, give me. So she will give that. Party, don't you need? I have eaten enough, you eat. How much have I eaten in my life, you eat. The interest point, the desire will go away. Automatically desire will go away. It's okay, how much? Yeah, when you are young, channa potura, channa potura. Now by the time you finish quarter, bore. It's such a bore. Everything loses appeal. Kama babhoge அப்படிங்கிற நம்ம when kama, people think desire is such a difficult thing to get rid of. Actually, desire is very easy to get rid of because automatically it falls off with age. So many things will automatically fall off as it goes. சில பேருக்கு போகாதுன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. பாவம் ததபி நமுஞ்சதி ஆஷா பிண்டம் அப்படிங்கிற பகவத் பாதா. But generally desire is, once you turn towards Bhagavan, desire is not a big enemy. Shadripuன்னு சொல்றோம். First enemy காமா அப்படிங்கிறது எனிமியே கிடையாது. ஷாப்லாம் கிடையாது. It is not very capable because even if desire is powerful, the capacity to enjoy desire will keep going away. So அது தானா desire will fall away. Naiva kama upabhoge. I don't know. I'm not interested in all this desire business. Na vasuni chahiye. Nor am I interested in wealth. Erkanave king giver. He's already a king. Ivar kenna wealth ko problem. But we can't say that also because the king wants to go and attack more kingdoms and more wars and get more. Adilla ivarku vasuni chahiye. Naiva. So dharmamavu irukkanum only. At least dharma nasta dharmen. I'm not that fussed about dharma also. அப்படின்னா are you going to do adharma? When I'm not even fussed about dharma, will I even think about adharma? Adharma thought itself doesn't arise. At least dharma thought can arise. That is also not arising. Artha is also not there. Kama is also not there. அப்போ என்ன போகணும்னா மோக்ஷம் ஒன்னா, that is also not there. ஏன்னா yad bhavyam bhavatu bhagavan purva karmanu rupam. Whatever has to happen to me as per my old past karma, let it happen. நடக்கட்டும். ஆனா ஏதத் பிரார்த்தியம் பகுமதம் ஜன்ம ஜன்மாந்தரேபி. This is the most important thing that I am praying for. This is of great value to me, great importance to me. I am praying for this. என்னதுன்னா त्वत्पादाम्बोरुह युगगता निश्चला bhaktirastu. Let me have nischala bhakti. unwavering bhakti towards your lotus feet. This is all I am asking for. Everything else is up secondary. And because of my disinterest in dharma or artha or kama, etc., what is to happen? Adi viva bhuviva mamastu vaso narakeva narata narakantaka pragamam avadhirita sharadara vindau charanau te marane api chintayami. Diviva, Bhuviva, Mamastu Vaso, let me live in the heavens because of my karma, or let me come back to the earth because of my karma. Narakam va Narakeva Prakamam. Even if I have got to go to Naraka, let it be so. Ana Avadhirita Sharadhara Vindau. Ana, those lotus feet of yours that will put even the lotus to a shame. Lotus feet, we are calling it a lotus feet because we do not know what else to compare it to. It is actually incomparable. And to keep saying incomparable is also not nice. Therefore, I have to say it is compared to something. That is not the reality because it beats that also. It is beyond the beauty of that. Adanale avadhirita sharadhara vindau charanau te, your lotus feet. Marane apichintayami. Even in the time of death, I only want to think about that. I do not want to think about anything else. Okay, I will think about you at the time of death. Marane apichintayami. Even at the time of death, I will only think about your lotus feet. Is it under my control? Even now, sometimes my mind is shaky. I want to think about your lotus feet, but mind is going somewhere else. How, what is going to happen to me at the time of death? I do not know. Adanale Krishnastvadiya padapankaja panjarantam adyaiva me vishatu manasa rajahamsaha prana prayana samaye kapavata pittaihi Kantavarodana vidau smaranam kutaste. Krishna. If I am going to wait for the last moment to come, pranaprayana samaye, when the life is going to depart this body, who knows in what state this body is going to be. Kapavata pittaihi, with the body is going to be affected by kapha, vata and pitta, all of them going into imbalance. Kantavarodana vidau, when the voice is going to be choked because of the death rattle that is going to come upon the throat, and the title Smaranam Kutaste, where is there going to be a memory of you? Who knows what is going to happen? Adanali innike solren, right now ipave solluten, appode kippode sollivaiten. I am right now itself asking for it, praying for it. What is it? Krishna Tvadiya padapankaja panjarantam. Bhagavane Krishna, your lotus feet to me are a cage, fit to imprison or keep safe. Both ways. Imprison is one way, keep safe is another way. Keep safe. Manasa Raja Hamsaha, the bird, the royal swan, call my mind. If it goes out, it's a royal swan, it has to be kept with as befits its standards. It cannot roam around here and there. In order to keep it safe, otherwise, like Sita was carried away, some Ravana will come and carry away my Rajahamsa, my mind. You have to keep it safe. Tvadiya pada pankaja panjarantam. Your lotus feet is like the cage. Let me be encased in that lotus, which is your feet. Sometimes what happens when the bee goes and settles down into the lotus, time closing time. It was busy doing something. Suddenly it realized before closing, his doors closed, it came rushing in. Last minute it came in, but too late. As it sat drinking the nectar, the stores closed, the lotus petals closed. It is caught within. Let me be caught within you. Let me be caught within your lotus feet. Pada pankaja panjarantam, panjara appadina cage. Let me be caught up. Let me be imprisoned in the cage called your lotus feet. Ennikina, today itself. When? Today itself. Adyaiva, now itself. Adyaiva me vishatu manasa rajahamsaha. Let my mind enter into your feet today itself and enshrine itself in that cage today itself. Yenna, at the last moment, who knows what is going to happen. Adanal now itself. Adanal enna panna poren. So what am I going to do for achieving all of that? चिन्तयामि हरिमेव सन्ततं मन्दमन्दहसिताननाम्बुजं नन्दगोपतनयं परात्परं नारदादिमुनिवृन्दवन्दितम् चिन्तयामि, do you all remember? चिन्तयामि हरिमेव सन्ततं मन्दमन्दहसिताननाम्बुजं नन्दगोपतनयं परात्परं नारदादिमुनिवृन्दवन्दितम्. Chintayami, I will only think about Hari. Harimeva santatam chintayami. I will think about Hari only, and I will think about Hari all the time. I will think about Manda Manda Hasitana Nambujam. I will think about that beautiful face which has got its sweet, soft, gentle smile. The lotus face, Vadanambujam, Ananambujam, the lotus face. And how is it? Hasitana Nambujam, with a smile. And how is the smile? Manda Manda Hasitana Nambujam, with a gentle, beautiful smile playing upon its lips. I will meditate upon that smile. I will meditate upon that face. Nanda Gopatanayam, I will meditate upon my Krishna. Paratparam, who is the Supreme Brahman. Naradadi Muni Vrindavanditam, who is eternally worshipped by the great hosts of rishis, the groups of rishis like Narada. All of them are standing around and singing his glories and worshipping him. He is so eminently worshipable that they are doing it. Narada and all are used as examples. These great Mahatmas are used as examples to demonstrate the greatness of him who is worshipped by even such people. Sukshma buddhi gala baratudu chusi chusi mrukuna para mani shakti anto gopara. Abdin Swami used to paraphrase. Lakshmi Devi will let you know. Lakshmi Devi will press your lotus feet. If Kapivaridu, the monkey, can cross the ocean, if Lakshmana can always stand by you and serve you, and Bharata with a subtle intellect will keep looking at you and being enamored of you, will worship you, then Rama, how great you must be. Great people are worshipping him. Great. Chopalangi worship or great. Edo pocket upon Kali Payano Chevichana Cholomudi. Very Mahangal Chevichana Sanatana or Setiar. Avadu Chevichan or Setida. Avanguda Chevikana. The great kings worship you. The beggars also worship you. Chintayami harimeva santatam. Therefore, I will meditate upon my Hari all the time. I will meditate upon my Hari's beautiful smiling face. Why is it smiling? It is smiling because he is looking at me. Now, because I have come, because I have sought him, because I am looking at him, his face breaks out into this very beautiful, gentle, welcoming smile. Dacha, have you come? When somebody comes to our house, how do we welcome them? With a smile. Isn't it? Without a smile, even if we say come, it doesn't. Welcome. Now you have come, is it? Welcome. Even if you don't utter a single word, if you just give a smile, a welcoming smile, that is enough. Words are immaterial. Manda hasidana nambujam. What does that smile imply? The smile implies that the Lord is happy to see Alvar. So, we meditate upon his smile. The smile comes because of him seeing us. Karacharana saroje kantimal netramine Shramamushi Bhujavichi vyakule agadhamarghe हरिसरसि विगाह्यापीयतेजो जलौघं भवमरुपरिखिन्न खेदमध्यस्त्यजामि करचरण सरोजे कान्तिमन्नेत्रमीने இதெல்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா? करचरण सरोजम कांतिमन नेत्रमीनम हरि सरसी. Hari is the lake. There's a lake called Hari, Lake Hari. And in that Lake Hari, there are a lot of lotuses that have bloomed. His hands are lotuses, his feet are lotuses, his face is a lotus, his eyes are lotuses. Lotus everywhere. Kantimal netramine. Fish are swimming here and there. What are his fish? His long eyes are the fish. Kantiman netramine. Pujavichi vyakule. It is stirred up by the waves that are caused by the movements of his shoulders, movements of his mighty arms. Tejo jalaugam, this radiant waters. I'm going to take a dip in these waters, and by taking a dip in the water called Hari, which is filled with his lotus eyes, lotus face, lotus hands, lotus feet, everything lotus about him, lotus navel. அது கூட பத்மநாபன் இல்லையா, கமலநாப. And the Annamaya in one of his songs sings that Shriman Narayana. And what does he sing? நம்ம கமலான்னு வருமே அதில். How does it start? I can't remember. कमलासन प्रिय कमल कमलहित कमल प्रिय कमलेक्षणा कमलनाभ அப்படின்னு வரும், ஏதோ வரும் இல்லையா பாட்டு. எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் கமல 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 கமலனா லோட்டஸ். கமலனா லோட்டஸ். His eyes are like lotus. Kamalekshana, Kamalanabha, Kamalanayana. And Lakshmi is sitting upon a lotus. Kamalasana, as she herself is called Kamala. Tayar ஒரு பேரு, one of the names for Tayar is Kamala. Kamala Priya, Kamala Priya னு இவனுக்கு பேர். இவன் கையில் ஒரு கமலம். He has a lotus in his hand. இவன் ஹேண்டே லோட்டஸ், இதில் ஒரு லோட்டஸ். அப்படி கமல வனம் இல்லையோ அது. It is like a forest of lotuses. பகவான் வர்ணனை பண்ணும் பொழுது ஒரு இடத்துல வருது, பகவான் is referred to as a forest of lotuses. Lotus forest அப்படி. ஒரு in some பாசுரமா இதுவாக ஞாபகம் இல்லை ஸ்லோகமானு, but there is a reference of a dark cloud in the sky with a forest of lotuses in it. A dark cloud with a forest of lotus ஆப்னா இந்த dark cloud மேகஷாமம். He is the dark cloud, rain cloud. அதில் forest of lotus என்ன அப்படின்னா, eyes are lotus, hands are lotus, feet are lotus, navel is a lotus, marble or lotus, chest is a lotus. ஏன்னா chestல வந்து Tayar is there, Tayar is sitting on a lotus, she herself is a lotus, she's got lotuses in her hands. His mouth is like a lotus, lips are like எல்லா lotus தானே இவனுக்கு. கராரவிந்தே நபதாரவிந்தம் முகாரவிந்தே எல்லா அரவிந்தம் எல்லா கமலம். கரச்சரண சரோஜே காந்திமன் நேத்ரமீனே. அதனால இந்த லேக் which is filled with blooming lotuses is called his hands and feet, where his eyes themselves are like fish that are frolicking here and there, moving around here and there, where there are waves that are coming up by the movements of his shoulders. In that lake I shall take a deep dip, and by doing so I will relieve the great fatigue that has come upon me by walking along the lanes and the bylanes of the samsara. அப்படின்னு சொல்றார். சரசி ஜனயனே சசங்க சக்கரே முரபிதி மாவிரமஸ்வ சித்தரந்தும் சுகதரம பரம் ந ஜாது ஜானே ஹரி சரண ஸ்மரண அம்ருதேன துல்யம். सरसि जनयने सशंक चक्रे, सरसि जनयने सशंक चक्रे. The two lotus eyes in the பக்கம் சங்க சக்கரம், சங்கா and சக்கர. முரபிதிமா விரமஸ்ய சித்தரந்து. O mind, never give up delighting in visualizing or meditating upon those lotus eyes and the Shankha Chakra. Indapur mein. In our, if you go to Tirupati and all, you will find a Priya Namam, that big rectangular Namam and Shankha Chakra. This Potale Puru Tirupati Prabhupada. Nothing else is needed. You don't need the face, you don't need the form, just that Namam and Shankha Chakram, you will know it is Tirupati Brahman. Like that, Sarasi Janayane Sashanka Chakre. Just remember this as a delight in that itself. Kannu and the Shankha Chakram. Kannu, Shankha Chakram, Porma. Even then you know who it is. How do you know a person? When you look into his eyes, you know who they are. And lest there be any doubt, Shankha Chakram. Sashanka Chakre, Sarasi Janayane Sashanka Chakre. Ma Viramaswa, never give up, never take rest from enjoying him. Never take rest from enjoying him. Keep dwelling upon him all the time. Sukhata ramaparamna chatu jane. Idavida sukham. Greater than this, there is no other sukham. I do not know of any other sukha greater than this. Yedina Haricharana Smaranamritena Tulyam. Haricharana Smaranamritena Tulyam. Equal to the Amrita called Smarana, remembrance of Haricharana. Hari's feet. Feet on the Trapka. Shashanka Sarasi Janayane Shashanka Chakre Haricharana. We may have the Kartuliki. You have to keep looking up like this. Eyes are there, Shankha Chakra are there. If you have to keep looking up like this, neck will ache. Couldn't you turn a Sharanam? Hari Charana Smaranamritena Tulyam. Adanala, bow your head down and meditate upon the 2 feet of Hari Smaranam. Keep the thought of Hari always going in the heart. O mind, never give up. Hari Charana Smarana. Mabi himandamano vichintya bahuda yami chiram yatanaha namina prabhavanti paparipavaha swami nanu shridaraha alasyam vyapaniya bhakti sulabham dhyayasva narayanam lokasya vyasanapanodhanagaro dasasya kim nakshamaha. O mind, do not be afraid of the past sins that you have committed, the past life that you have lived, no matter how despicable or condemnable it may be. Don't worry about it. Past is past. No, sir, past is not past. Past will come back as the future. And because of the past, I will have to go to hell. I will have to go to hell. No hell for us. We should have no hell for us because we do not report to the Lord of Hell. We report to the Lord of Hell. Swami Nanu Shridaraha. Remember last time I told you how I had a boss, but luckily I went and got friendly with the boss's boss. And after that my boss was like, whatever. Swami Nanu Shridaraha. Namaki yaar Swami Shridara is our Bhagavan, our Swami, our Lord, our Master, our boss. Well, we should work for Bhagavan. Benefits are extraordinary. Bhagavan work for medical insurance. Problem is medical insurance. He gives perfect benefits as long as you work for him. Work for no problem. Work for problem. There are good retirement benefits also, but the only problem is nobody wants to retire. Ma Viramaswa. Viramam na retiring. Viramam, retiring. Ma Viramasva. Nobody wants to retire from Nitya Kainkaryam. When you are employed by Bhagavan, there are exceptional benefits. Retirement benefits are actually quite good, but only thing nobody wants to retire, they want to keep on working for Bhagavan. Iduve nannarku voy appdi. Normal work you want to retire, you can't wait for April 30th to come. But for somebody that I know is retiring on 30th of April. I'm sure he cannot wait for April 30th to come. But Bhagavan, now we do not want to retire. And we do not have to have any fear of the future because Swami Nanu Sridharaha, we are going to go directly reporting to Bhagavan, doesn't matter what we have done. Adishiri, you are saying don't matter what we have done. Hang on for a moment. He is the one who set the laws in place. It is by his order that Yama is also working. Yama is not doing something on his own. Therefore, when you have sinned, you have got to go to Yama. When that is the law, that is the rule. How is it that just because our Swami is Sridhara, we can be exempt from it? Your children, Lokasya Vyapanoda Vyasanapanodana Karaha. He is the one who removes the distress of all the worlds. Dasasya Kimna Kshamaha. Hey, will he not forgive us who are working directly for him? Even if you have committed great sins, when you call out the name of Narayana, you are going to be relieved of all the sins. There is a special dispensation which is going to wipe out your sins. For even an ordinary fellow, if he is going to go, he is not employed by Bhagavan. In a dasangartha vera. Dasasya kimna kshamahan cholraralaya. Dasa means one who is directly employed by Bhagavan. When one who is not in that relationship with Bhagavan, even he can go and get his sins wiped away by worshipping him, then do we even need to say that this is applicable for us who are directly employed by him, working for him, who are serving him all the time? Namakenna kavala. Dasasya kim nakshamaha. Naksham, manushara madana. Will he not forgive? Kim nakshamaha. What will he not forgive? What will he not forgive the sins that you have committed? What kind of sins that it be he will forgive? No. What? He will not forgive. Kim? Nakshamaha. Will he not forgive? Of course he will forgive. Yeah, he relieves the burden of evil upon the earth. Will he not relieve the burden of evil upon us? Adanala alasyam vyapaniya. Give up laziness. Last month we mentioned it. I do not know who gave up their laziness as a result of it. Let's repeat it again. Alasyam vyapaniya. Give up your laziness. Bhakti sulabham. Bhakti is easy. Bhakti is easy. Yeah. How is bhakti easy? What do you need to do for making bhakti easy? Chinchami harimeva santatam. Manda manda hasitananambujam. Why is it easy? Because he makes it easy. Bhakti is easy because Bhagavan makes it easy. If Bhagavan comes and stands there, a number man comes and stands there, automatically we are besotted, we are infatuated, we are in love with him. If somebody else, you've got to make an effort. Bhagavan ka effort devela bhakti sulabham. Because all the hard work is done by him. All the hard work is done by him. See, in a marriage, they say, you got to work on it. When do you have to work on it? When there is differences, you got to work on it. If there is absolutely one fellow saying, whatever you say. All the work is done by the other fellow. Two people now. One fellow is doing all the work, the other fellow doesn't have to do any work at all. The wife is such that she doesn't disturb you at all. She doesn't make any demands upon you at all. She fulfills every need of yours, every requirement that you have, she fulfills. Is there any need for you to work on this marriage anymore? It is working fabulously. All the work is done by her. Do you think it will happen? Bhagavan shows us who should do the work. Bhagavan demonstrates to us who should do all the work. Bhagavan is the pati. Bhagavan is the husband. We are all only bhaktas, become like the strees. Who is doing all the work? Bhagavan is doing all the work. What is Bhagavan doing? What is the work? Premadane work. Premaiva karyam. Prema karyam. Premaiva karyam. Bhakti Sutratala. What is the work that needs to be done? Prema is the work that needs to be done. Bhagavan is fulfilling that very gloriously. If the husband is also filled with so much love, then there is no other work need to be done. If the wife is also filled with so much love, there is no work need to be done. Prema dhane karyam. ஒர்க்குன்னு அதுக்காக துணி துவைக்கிறதும் உங்க பாத்திரம் தேய்க்கிறதும் இல்லை. See, ராமா ஐடியல் மேன் சொன்னா ராமா தானே. ராமா went to the forest. என்ன பண்ணாரு? What did he do? லக்ஷ்மணன் தான் எல்லாம் பண்ணான் பாவம். If you really look at it, Lakshmana was doing everything. He was fetching, chopping, cooking. Sita பண்ணான்னு நினைக்கிறேன், தெரியாது. Hopefully Sita cooked. 14 years she must have learned how to cook. Henna, why would she know how to cook? She was born a princess. She was married to a prince. She was living in a big palace. There would have been. Why would she need? What would she need to do? She need to only dress up herself nicely. அது கூட சைரந்திரி இருப்பா. அது கூட there'll be people around. அவளுக்கு என்ன ஒண்ணுமே வேண்டாம் தெரியுமா அவளுக்கு? She has to sit. They will comb her hair, and they will bedeck her, they will put earrings, they will put nose rings, everything they will put. She'll just have to sit there, and then happily she has to sit around. இப்படிதான் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தா பாவம். Suddenly she has to go to forest. So most likely Lakshmana was the one who did everything. ஏன்னா ராமா can't do everything. நன்னா இருக்காது பண்றதுக்கு. Lakshmana is there, கூட கூட்டு போறதே அதுக்கு தானே. அவன் சர்வம் கரிஷாமி அப்படி வேற சொல்லிவிட்டாரு. I will do everything. அப்படி Lakshmana came. When Lakshmana came, what did Rama do? Rama did nothing. அவன் சும்மா உட்கார்ந்துட்டு தியானம் பண்ணுவார். விட்டா otherwise rishis will come, you will talk to them. Some puja gija you will do. மிச்சம் அதுக்கு என்னமோ அர்பல் விளையாண்டு இருந்தார். Something he was spending his life doing here and there, running around here and there. Lakshmana was doing all the work. Ana, see how devoted Sita is to Rama. Does Rama have to do any work for that marriage? Na illa enna irpe porme and the gunam, demonstrating that kind of qualities, demonstrating that kind of love, care, affection is enough. That is what is the main thing. So Bhagavan is showing that adinala namakku swami avardan. He is our swami. Alasyam vyapaniya. Therefore we cannot have any laziness when it comes to our Bhagavan, serving our Bhagavan when he is so extraordinary, when he is filled with so many gunas of this nature. When Sita, Rama and Lakshmana go to Atri and Anusuya's ashrama, and Anusuya takes Sita away separately and gives her advice. Amma, Sita, no matter how the husband is, he is God. Treat him as God. Even if he is deceased, even if he is a vile wretch, even if he is poor, doesn't matter. To the wife, the husband is God. அப்படிலாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கா. Sita நினைச்சுக்கிறா. Sita is thinking, my husband is actually God. No matter how he is God. எங்க ஆத்துக்காரர் ஏற்கனவே he is already God himself. God இல்ல, எதுல God அப்படின்னா குணாஸ்ல God. Rama is God is a different story. Avataram is a different story. Gunathla. In the gunas that he has got, he is God himself. He is actually God himself. Appadi if you are having gunas, then there is no work need to be done on top of that. Adhan Bhagavan pani kudukuran. Bhagavan is showing us how to be in this world. Alasyam vyapaniya bhakti sulabham. Bhakti is easy because Bhagavan has already shown so many beautiful qualities that it is natural for us to be devoted to him. Dhyayasva Narayanam. In the end, what do we have to do? Do we have to carry? Do we have to fetch? Do we have to chop? Do we have to go to market for Narayana? Dhyayasva Narayanam. Meditate on Narayana. Bhagavad Kainkaryam nu cholram. We are saying serving the Lord. What does it mean to serve the Lord? What requirement does he have that we need to serve him? Ali Lakshmana, when he was physically with the Lord, he had to serve the Lord by doing all those kind of things. What is real service for us now? Thinking about him is service. Meditating upon him is service. Calling out his name itself is great service. Kainkaryam adve. Alasyam vyapaniya bhakti sulabham dhyayasva narayanam. Adanala, meditate upon the Lord. What? Will he not forgive us our sins? भवजलदिगतानां द्वन्द्ववाताहतानां सुतदुहित्रकलत्र त्राणभारार्दितानां विषमविषयतो ये मज्जदामाप्लवानां भवतु शरणमेको विष्णुपोतो नराणां. For those of us who are caught in the samsara, being buffeted by the winds of dualities, suffering because we are bearing the burden of the responsibility of protecting, of looking after our family, wife, children, relatives, etc., drowning in the waters of sensory objects, of illusions, of infatuations. For all of us, The only boat that is there are the feet of Shriman Narayana. Therefore, Dhyayasva Narayanam, meditate upon the Lord and relieve yourself, escape from this Tunbab Kadal, this great ocean of misery and sorrow. Bhavajaladimagadam dustaram nistareyam katam ahamiti cheto masmagaha kataratvam. सरस दृशि देवे तावकी भक्ति रेखा नरक विधि निषण्णा तारयिष्यत्यवश्यम अवश्यम. Bhava jaladi magadam. You are saying cross the ocean, cross the ocean. Have you seen how big the ocean is? How deep the ocean is? Dustaram nistareyam. It is impossible to cross this ocean. Katam ahamiti. How am I going to cross this ocean? Abadine ho mind. Do not get into worry or fear. सरस दृशि देवे तावकी भक्ति रेखा नरक विधि निषण्णा तारयिष्यत्यवश्यम. Bhagavan will certainly take care of you. Bhagavan himself will take you across the ocean. All you need is bhakti towards him. If you become his, he will do the work. He will. I'm not asking you to swim. When he's saying cross this ocean, oh, how will I swim this ocean? Who's asking you to swim this ocean? All I'm saying is, there is a pota, there is a boat called Narayana. Get into the boat. Boat will take you across. Tane chol rahe. Boat will ferry you. You don't have to do anything. Tarayishyati. Avashyam tarayishyati. He will certainly take you across. You don't have to worry. All you have got to do is Dhyayasva Narayanam. Meditate upon Narayana. Trishnato ye madana pavana uddhuta moha urmimale. दारावर्ते तनय सकजग्राह संगाकुले च संसाराख्ये मखति जलदौ मज्जतां नस्त्रिधामन् पादां भोजे वरद भवतो भक्तिनामं प्रयच्छ. Trishna toye, waters of desire, Madana Pavana Uddhuta Moha Urmimale. There are great waves that are coming because of the wind called desire blowing upon them. Dara Avarte, whirlpool called wife. Tanaya Sakaja Graka, Sangha Kulecha, the crocodiles and the sharks that are swimming around called children and relatives and so on and so forth. Samsara Kye Makhati Jaladho. This is the great ocean called Samsara, in which Majjadam Nastridhaman, we have been caught in this great ocean. He Tridhaman, O Lord of all the worlds, Padambhoje Varada Bhavato Bhakti Navam Prayacha. He Varada, O giver of all boons, give us this boon that we are having bhakti towards your lotus feet, which will become the raft, which will become the boat that will make sure that we are going to be taken across. Madraksham Kshina Punyan Kshanamapi Bhavato Bhaktihinan Padabje Masrausham Shravya तव चरितमपास्य अन्यदाख्यान जातं स्मर्शं माधव त्वमपि भुवनपते चेतसा अपाह्नुवन्नान् मा भूवन् त्वत्सपर्या व्यतिकररहितो जन्म जन्मान्तरेऽपि. I will not see those who are not devoted to you. I will not hear anything other than stories about you, topics about you, discussions about you. I will not think even for a moment about those who have rejected you or have gone against you. And in this life, I will not live without worshipping you, without thinking about you. Let this be the boon for me. Let me not get into dussanga. Let me not get into the company of those who will take me away from you. Those who will make me divert my attention and my mind away from you. People matramilla, things of this world. Parango. Samsaram irke ye samsaram solrom appadina. The reason why we call it such a terrible samsaram is a small thing, you're moving house. You're from one house, you're going to another house. You're moving a job. You're from one job, you're going to another job. You're moving from one town to another, one city to another city. Either you're getting married, you're moving from one place to another place. All these things are happening to us. The amount of change, upheaval that happens to the mind because of that. Either we are going in one track, or a routine we have got. We get up in the morning, we worship the Lord, Krishna Rama Govindan, we say something we are following. Hella becomes upset. And it becomes a struggle to get back to that. It's the worst thing in a For years, 2-3 years, you'll be following a routine. For 2 weeks, that routine will go away. To get back into that routine becomes a nightmare. முடியாது. Something or the other will keep coming up. Some mind will create something, other something will be there. Some tradesman is coming in the morning. I can't do this. I can't. ஏதோ ஒரு கன்றாவி வரும். And it takes us away from Bhagavan. And the joy of sitting with him is not that we cannot sit with him. He is always there. ஆனால் இப்படி மைண்ட் போகிறதே நமக்கு. அதனால ஆழ்வார் is asking Bhagavane, give me such a boon that I don't have to do all this. ஏதோ இருந்த இடத்துல இருந்துட்டு கிருஷ்ணா ராமா கோவிந்தான் இருக்கிற மாதிரி வைப்பா, அனாவசியம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காதேப்பா அப்படி யாருக்கு. அஃப்கோர்ஸ் when you go, ideally you want a situation where mom, even when you are mom smara, பகவான் சொல்றான் to Arjuna, யுத்யஸ்வ மாம் ஸ்மர, you fight, think about me and fight. You fight but think about me. Remembering me, you do whatever you want. Nothing, your action should not affect you. Idan ultimate state. And practical reality. What is the practical reality? A small change makes us so difficult to connect. It should not be like that. We've got to be strong enough that nothing should change us. Yasmin Sate Dukhenangarar Bhagavan Gurunapi na vichalyatena. Nothing should make me move from that place. I should attain such a state. Alvar is saying, give me such a state. Give me such a state where nothing will make me forget you, nothing will make me disconnect from you. In my own strength, I may not be able to attain it. Bhagavane, give me that state, give me the strength with which I will be able to remain sthitam, established in that state. Jikve kirtaya keshavam muraripam cheto bhaja shridaram panidvanda samarchayachyutakata shrotadvayatvam shrunu. Krishnam lokayalocanadvaya hareergacchangri yugmalayam jigragrana mukundapada tulasim murdhannamadokshajam. O tongue, sing the glories of Keshava. O mind, meditate upon Murari. O hands, worship the feet of Sridhara. Do archana for Sridhara. O ears, listen to Achyuta Katha all the time. O eyes, keep looking at Krishna all the time. Krishnam lokayal lochanadvaya. Harer gachangri yugmalayam. O feet, take me to always to the temple of the Lord. Jigragrana mukundabada tulasim. O nose, smell the fragrance of the tulasi that is offered to Mukunda's lotus feet. Murdhan namadokshajam. O head, go and prostrate, bow down to Adokshada, the Supreme Lord who is beyond all the senses. He lokashrunta prasuti maranavyade chikitsam imam yogagnya samudahranti munayoyam yagyavalkyadaya antarjyotirameyamekam amritam krishnakhyamabhiyatam tatpitam paramaushadam vitanute nirvanam atyantikam. These are all shlokas we have already seen. That is why I am just going quickly through it, rejigging our memory. Hey Lokaha, oh people of the world, listen, there is a great medicine that is there for all of our problems of this world. Even great yogis like Yagyavalkya have used this medicine previously. They were also sick like us. One day they ate this medicine, they became alright. Therefore it is all there for us also. Antarjyotirameyamekam amritam Krishna akyamabhiyadam. Drink this medicine, it is called Krishna. Where is this medicine? It is in the heart. Antarjyotihi ullukulla irukku. Ekam dan, don't worry which medicine kekade. There is only one shelf and there is only one medicine in that shelf. Hridayathukulla ore shelf ore medicine. Enna nama medicine cabinet edutha 100 medicine irukku. Medha edukradhu theriya maatengirudhu. Na avla vyadi irukku. For this medicine, for this disorder, this medicine, for this disorder, medicine. Which disorder? By the time you look at all the medicine, you have forgotten what your disorder is. Avla irukku. Some people have to take so many medicines, they say after breakfast, after dinner. They actually put it in a bowl, it's like cereal in a bowl. We take a handful of cereal, put it in the bowl and put some milk. But the medicine is a tablet. Then breakfast, this is after breakfast. This is breakfast is after breakfast. Will you actually have room in your stomach after eating all this to have breakfast? It's like breakfast. என்ன பண்றது? இதுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு மெடிசன் தான் இருக்கும். ஏகம் அப்படிங்கிறார். ஏகம் அமிர்தம் அமேயமேகம் அமிர்தம் அந்தர்ஜோதிரமேயம் ஏகம் அமிர்தம் கிருஷ்ணாக்யமாபியதாமேயம். இது ஒரு மெடிசன். இது What is this medicine? Krishna Kyam. It is called Krishna brand. Krishna brand medicine is sharp to do. Tat Pitam, when you drink that Paramaushadam, supreme medicine, Vitanute, Nirvanam, Atyantikam, Ore Nirvanam, straight. The medicine is short and straight Nirvanam. All a close. Apparent medicine, all out medicine. All out in India, to prevent the mosquitoes from biting you, there is something called all out. All out. Those mosquito fumes thing, you plug it on and it gives the fumes to destroy the mosquitoes. So good night is there. One thing is called all out. All mosquitoes out. All out. All means person. All out. The person is out. Krishna kyam paramaushadam vitva. Shaptutyanam tat pitam paramaushadam vitanute. Nirvanam atyantikam. Supreme bliss will come to you. Supreme liberation will come to you. He martyaha. Oh people of this world. Paramam hitam shrunutavo vakshami sankhepataha. Briefly I will tell you the supreme benefit that will come to you. The greatest good that is there in this world, I will tell it to you. Samsarnavamapadurmi bahulam samyak pravishya stitaha. Those of you who have firmly entered and established yourself in samsara. The edge irukka anna bhai edho irke apni boy. Having gotten into the samsara, enna aidithana pravishya stitaha. Anna ukandunuta. They have established themselves in samsara well. For all those people, I will tell you what is good for you. Nanajnanam apasya. Give up learning about so many different things. Give up knowing about so many things, learning about so many things. There is only one thing. Namo Narayana Itiyamu Mantram Sapranavam Pranama Sagitam Pravartayadvayam Advam Muhu. Only one thing is required for us. Enadina Priya Mantram Paramahitam Adu Paramamangalamana Mantram Paramamangala Navadheya. Abdina Bhagavan is called the one who bears the most auspicious name, supremely auspicious name. Enna name? Narayana Angarapir. For another way, we dwelt in the great rahasya of this name as much as was allowed. Paramam Namamadu, supreme name. Enna Namo Narayanaya. Brahmane Bhagavane, unto you, all of this is unto you. Abdingarada Pranava, Prasap Pranavam, along with Pranavam. Pranavam Shultanya, yes, true Nartham. Om Shulutan. Shrimad Bhagavatatala, when Mahabali Chakravarti is offering a promise to Amana, Shukracharya, the Guru, comes and says, you have not said Om, Adanal, it is not valid. When you say Om, you are sealing it. Pranavam illama shonna seal pannalayam. Namo Narayanaya, Namo Narayanaya, Namo Narayanaya solututana, you are not promising, you are only saying for you, most likely for you, not for me, for you, not for me, only for you, not for me, only for you. When you say Om, you have sealed it. You made a promise. Now you can't go back. Only if you are not sure enough, say Namo Narayanaya. I want to live for God, but I am not fully sure. I want to live for myself also. Say Namo Narayanaya. Abhi go. Oh, Shunyo. You have no other looking back. He will come and make sure he will take everything from you. He will make sure you belong to him. Om Shilptiyana. Jakarda. Sapranavam Pranama Sagitam Pravartayadvam Muhu. Therefore, again and again, repeat his name, repeat that mantra constantly. Adam Paramahitam. That is a supreme benefit, supreme welfare for you. Prithvirenuranuppayam Sikanika Palguspulinganala Tejo Nishvasanam Maruttanudaram Randram Susukshmam Nabha Kshudra Rudra Pitamaha Prabhrutaya Kita Samasta Suraha Drishte Yatra Satavako Vijayate Bhumavadutavadhi. Bhagavan, grandeur is established here, to whom earth itself is like a particle of dust, to whom all the fires are like a small spark, to him all the winds of this world is nothing but a exhalation, a breath, where all space is nothing but a small hole to him. Even the greatest gods are all servants for him. Appear but a Sriman Narayana, such an extraordinary Narayana whose immeasurable glory is limitless. We are worshipping that Lord. Baddena Anjalina Natena Shirasa Gatrai Saromodgamai Kantena Swaragadgadena Nayane Udgirina Bashpambuna Nityam Twacharana Ravinda Yugala Dhyanamrita Swadinam Asmakam Sarasi Ruhaksha Satatam sampadyataam jeevitam. எங்களுக்கெல்லாம் சொல்ற அஸ்மாக்கம். For us, what is life? What is the success in life? By what do we measure fulfillment in life, success in life? அப்படின்னா பத்தேன அஞ்சலினா, when our hands join together in Anjali Mudra. Natena shirasa, when our head bows down in humility in worship. Gatrai saromogamaihi, when the hair stands upon its ends in the body. Kantena swara gadgadena, when the throat is choking because of the upswell of emotion of bhakti, of prema. Nayanod girina bashpam puna, when the eyes are filling up with the waters of devotion in the form of tears. Nityam tvacharana aravinda yugala dhyanamrita swadinam, nityam, eternally drinking, enjoying, aswadinam, tasting, enjoying, enadina amritam, the nectar. என்ன nectar? Dhyanamritam, the nectar called meditation. On what na? Tava charanaravindam, charana, tvat charanaravinda yugala. Those two lotus feet of yours, constant meditation upon the two lotus feet of yours is drinking nectar. For those of us who are able to drink the nectar of your lotus feet constantly with our hands joined together, our head bowed down, with eyes filled with tears, hair standing upon its ends, voice choking with emotion, for us, Asmakam Sarasiruhaksha, O lotus-eyed one, Satatam Sampadyatam Jeevitam. This really is the great world, great life that we have accomplished, that we need to accomplish for ourselves. Our life is considered fulfilled if we have reached this stage. He Gopalaka, He Kripa Jalanide, He Sindhu Kalyapate, He Kamsantaka, He Gajendra Karuna, Parina, He Madhava, हे रामानुज हे जगत्रय गुरो हे पुंडरीकाक्ष मां हे गोपी जननाथ पालय वरं जानामि न त्वं विना. हे गोपालका, हे कृष्णा, हे गोपाला, हे कृपा जननिधे, ओशन ऑफ कंपैशन, हे सिंधु कन्यापते, ओ लॉर्ड ऑफ द डॉटर ऑफ द ओशन Mahalakshmi, Hey Kamsantaka, destroyer of all the evil people like Kamsa, Hey Gajendra Karuna Bharina, oh one filled with supreme compassion towards devotees like Gajendra, Hey Madhava, oh Lord of Mahalakshmi, Hey Ramanuja, Hey younger brother of Rama Balarama, Hey Ramanuja, Hey Jagatraya Guru, O Lord of teacher of all the three worlds, Hey Pundarikaksha, O lotus-eyed one, Hey Gopi Jananatha, O Lord of all the gopis. Mampalaya, protect me, look after me. Yenna Tatvam Param Natvam Vina Param Janami, because above you, beyond you, I do not know anything else other than you. I do not know anything else, anybody else. Therefore, protect me. I know only you. I know only to call your name. I know only to chant your name. All of these, so many names that I have called out. Hey Gopala, Kripa Jalanide, Sindhu Kanyapate, Kamsantaka, Gajendra Karuna Parina, Hey Madhava. Abadina, so many of your names. All I know is to intone those names, call out those names. I know to live my life only by calling out these names. People in this world come and tell me what kind of a loser you are, what kind of a fool you are. Is it enough to simply call the names of the Lord? Should you not also know how to live your life? Should you not also be practical? They say all of those things. I don't know all of those things. I only know you. Janami natvam vina, I do not know anything other than you. They are saying all of those things. You protect. They are all saying, what will protect you? Will this protect you? This will not. Yes, you will all. Therefore, you will have to come and protect me. Will this protect me? When somebody is very devoted, from young age itself, they are devoted to the Lord. Well-wishers in the form of relatives and friends will come and say, "Idu shore poduma pa." The bhakti ikthila shore poduma. Padi pandama. Will bhakti feed you? Bhakti is good for the soul. Bhakti is good. I am not saying you should not have bhakti. Will bhakti feed you? Will bhakti feed you? அப்படிங்கிறா. அப்படிதான் சொல்றா. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்னைக்கு எனக்கு பக்தி தானே ஷோர் போடுறது. For me, bhakti is what is feeding me, no? Because if I don't have bhakti towards my Lord, எனக்கு இன்னைக்கு எப்படியோ somehow I am not doing any work, no? But I am being fed. How am I being fed? Bhagavan is feeding me. Bhakti Bhagrathamana. If out of bhakti it is offered, he will eat. With bhakti, he will feed us also. He will make us eat. பக்தி இல்லைன்னா நமக்கு சோறு கிடைக்குமோ? நமக்கு பக்தி தானே சோறு போடுறது, நமக்கு பகவான் தானே சோறு போடுறான். பகவான் இஸ் வாட் இஸ் கிவிங் ஃபுட் டு அஸ். அதனால் ஆழ்வார் சொல்கிறேன், எனக்கு ஒன்றை தவிர என்ன தெரியும்பா? ஐ டோ நாட் நோ எனிதிங் அதர் தென் யூ. ஐ டோ நாட் நோ எனிபடி அதர் தென் யூ. பிழைக்கிற வழி எனக்கு தெரியாதே. வையகத்தூழியும் வழியறி மதி அழித்து இங்கன் வைத்தனை அப்படிங்கிறார் ரமண பகவான். Bhagavan says, you have kept me after having completely destroyed all worldly intelligence, worldly ways by which I can prosper in this world. You have kept me. Natvam janami natvam vina. I do not know anything other than you. Therefore, mam palaya, you protect me. Appadinu. So far we have summarized. Tomorrow morning we will finish the rest of the few shlokas that were already seen and we start off with the new ones. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ओम शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ओम तत्सत्. श्री साई ईश्वरार्पणमस्तु.